Hi Joe. How are you? Good afternoon. All good. Babe, Yunita's free? Just for a quick blow dry. यूनिता हाइड्रा फेशियल जो को मैंने बोला था कि मुझे शादी के लिए हाइड्रा फेशियल करवाना है, मैंने कभी करवाया नहीं है. मैं थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ कि माय स्किन इज वेरी सेंसिटिव सो इट विल वर्क.
Yeah, ma'am, sure, you can do. It's good.
गाइस हर जगह रील्स और मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हर कोई मुझे बोलता रहता है तुम्हें हाइड्रा फेशियल करवाना, तुम्हें ये करना, तुम्हें वो करना. मैं बिल्कुल भी ये सब नहीं करती हूँ. बट दे फोर्सिंग मी लाइक यू हैव टू हैव द ब्राइडल ग्लो. सो नाउ आई एम हियर एट नेल कॉन्सेप्ट्स. They're my salon basically. So they suggested that I should do the hydra facial, which I think is fine because I've seen it. Many brides do it, and my best friends have also told me to do it.
कितने टाइम से कर रहे हो आप फेशियल?
मैंने आज तक नहीं करा.
नहीं किया है तो आपको करना
Never
है
done it
first.
before.
क्योंकि आपको फर्स्ट शादी के लाइक आपका जो आ रहा है फंक्शन उससे पहले 20 डेज पहले करना चाहिए.
Stressful.
ये नहीं करना चाहिए.
Wow. Killed it.
देखो अभी आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो.
Hell.
Hi,
I wish.
you're late.
I'm.
Are you not late?
Baby, please don't stress me.
You're gonna be late.
I'm so sorry, baby. I had to go to my hair first.
Are you doing honeymoon?
No. How will we record a honeymoon, यार?
No, as in
विकास को मेरे अच्छा हाँ we're going. I was like विकास को honeymoon पे मिलेगा.
But then you can do like on your
On your
with
own. Yeah. Maldives. Yeah, we're going to Maldives. Yeah. Tiger to loves Vikas, no? That's what he was saying to me on call today. Do you realize Tiger loves Vikas on call today?
I think he only likes men.
Oh my god, baby. She's right.
Right.
She just said that he only likes men.
That's actually not true.
No, but she just said he barked at her.
I sneeze and then he barked.
Scared him.
He only likes men. You sneeze and he barked. That is so.
Does that to you as well?
That is so funny. No, baby, he doesn't. Mo, I have a surprise for you. Come, no.
I've got a surprise too.
You have a surprise too? What surprise do you have?
Wow, damn. Sick. You look good, baby.
Look at him. And look at me.
Damn, son.
I have a watch.
Bye, baby.
I want to show Uncle Auntie also. They're like, who's this?
Yeah, let's see.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Nothing. Just all going good right now. They're just setting up the room area, the bar areas.
Can you show me on video?
Okay, so this fell, but it was up.
Okay.
So we did the 30 and the happy birthday, and we're gonna do balloons all over there.
Nice.
So this was just testing round.
Okay, Mira, I need to get ready. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye. Finally, the big surprise that I've been planning for over a month. Nidhi's surprise 30th birthday party. I hope she doesn't have an idea that this is a party. It's game time now already. I'm more nervous for this than my wedding. Jesus. Okay, baby,
Yeah,
before we leave,
yeah.
because I'm not going to have any time there, we're not going to have any time, I want to give you your gifts.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh God, yes.
Okay, you ready?
Baby, here. You sure?
Yeah. Okay.
I want to take a video.
You want to take it or should I take it? Well, you have to open the gift, so let me hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay. You're going to know what it is by when you open. It's two. It's related.
gifts?
It's related to.
Related to?
You're going to use them tonight, that's for sure.
Tonight.
Yeah.
Baby, is it
Okay.
something dirty? Cause.
No.
Okay, fine.
Okay, open this one. So I got this from Thailand,
Okay, what is this?
from Bangkok.
One.
Yeah. Vintage camera. Is it sick?
Oh my God.
You like it?
It's amazing.
Okay, open this one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, it's a zip. Open your eyes, this one.
Okay.
So you know where the zip is.
What the hell is this? 81, yeah. I couldn't even think that you would get this.
Sick.
This is the best gift you could give me.
Sick. Love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. Okay, come on, let's go. We have to leave. Ready?
Happy
wait. Put this
birthday
on.
to
Please make sure your eyes are covered.
Happy
Don't cheat.
birthday.
Okay, come on, come
Okay,
on.
sorry.
Don't cheat. Don't really
Baby, I never cheat. I'm not you.
Don't make sure. Yeah, perfect. Don't want to ruin your makeup,
Okay.
but make sure you don't look underneath. Okay.
Never.
Okay. Tell them to be ready.
Baby, I'm very scared.
Follow me now.
No, baby, I'm very, very scared.
Come on, but we have to walk a bit faster.
No, baby, I can't. I'm very scared.
I've
baby.
got you.
I know, but my
Come on, hold
orientation
on.
is
Yeah,
lost.
hold on. Almost there.
Yeah.
Okay, watch out. Come follow me. Straight, straight, straight. Take this off.
Okay.
Keep your eyes closed.
Okay.
Okay, eyes are closed.
Eyes are closed.
Good.
Well, how's my hair?
It's amazing. 3, 2.
Baby, where I'm going?
Okay, open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Oh my God!
Who's there?
Oh my God! I did not expect. I was in shock. All the people I love in one room. Like, this has been my dream. You know what I mean? Thank you, Ube.
Wait, do you have any idea?
No, I thought that you were gonna buy me a house.
That was the initial plan.
Because I didn't know that I'm the organizer.
Yeah.
You're not the organizer. तो मुझे दो चीजें लगी. एक तो वो मुझे घर खरीद के दे रहा है. मुझे तो ये लगा. सेकंड मुझे लगा पता नहीं क्यों बुर्ज अल अरब के हेलीपैड में कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है. It was so random, no? But I don't know why. I was just thinking it's that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's okay.
You're the best.
I'm
I
glad.
love you.
I'm glad you have.
We're getting married.
We're getting married.
We're getting married.
We've got 3 days of partying there.
I have no words. This is the happiest day of my life.
The last step, how they are going to exit and you guys are going to enter, is like this. Tin, tin, tin. That 4 count. So these girls, whoever's standing back, they'll just move their hips.
Hello, happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Whose birthday? Where's
Whose
Raj?
birthday?
Where's Raj?
Sleeping.
Where's Raj?
Sleeping.
He's sleeping.
It's his birthday today.
उसका birthday है.
Imagine she gonna come for her photo that you guys share your birthday.
Guys, are you all ready for your surprise birthday?
Yeah. What surprise.
It's a surprise for the bridesmaids. It's happening very soon. Somebody's coming.
Oh my God, a stripper.
That is not something I would be excited about.
Is Raj the stripper? I said, is Raj the stripper?
So I wanted to give them a surprise, or they deserved it, and it's something so beautiful. उनको कोई भी idea नहीं है, and it's something कि मुझे पता है कि वो उनको सबको पसंद आएगा. Someone's here.
Hello?
Come. Okay, why are you so shocked? Please come in, please.
And that's on being
Yes.
oblivious.
You can set up.
Is it jewelry?
I don't know.
Oh, is it jewelry?
I don't know what.
I feel like
Okay, shh. It's a bed.
Nay, I have to leave. I have class. You will kill me.
Love you. Okay, you have class now.
Yeah. I have private.
Oh,
you
I'll
will
leave.
quickly learn and you
Yeah.
Are you all excited, brothers?
Yes, sister.
We have E3K giving you all their earrings for each one of you with the boxes customized with your names.
That's why we helped you.
Yes, and that is the one that you helped me for me. No, but wait, what are they doing there though? What are they doing?
Is it like engraved? Like, you know, the permanent
Machine. We're getting I'm getting them forever bracelets. How cool is that? अब मैं उनसे दोस्ती कभी नहीं तोड़ सकती. I think that's the only big commitment which maybe, I don't know.
forever bracelets. But now we have 2 permanent things. So you can't like forever actually remove us from the group. So stuck with us.
I've been wanting this for so long, and the only thing that's so funny is that now she can't cut ties with us ever. So Nidhi, you're stuck with me for life. Now we have two things that we're connected with, so I'm really excited.
Exact same.
Yeah.
Exact same. Just you open it.
Thank you.
Okay, see it first. No, then
Okay. Why? Why is this a surprise for me? Oh God. She's like कि मेरे लिए surprise नहीं हुआ है कोई. ऊपर वो enough था Aisha, please. Okay. Oh my God.
It's an engraved ring.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's stunning. Oh wow, thank you. Fully forgot. Thank you.
Sorry.
You're so beautiful. Guys. Love it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. चल ना इधर आ. Happy birthday dear Raji. Do us daddy. He's so hungover. Oh God. आज मेरी मेहंदी है. ये मुझे इतना अजीब लग रहा है, लाइक बोलने में भी. Nobody can believe that I'm getting married, and the crazy part is that even I can't believe that I'm getting married because it's me. Like it's so crazy. Like I can't even believe it. रायना कहाँ है यार? ये लोग तुम लोग क्या? महानद ये सब कहाँ है? इसको देख. Can't be cool for once. This dude. Can you be cool?
He's so cool. He wore his night dress pajama in game. What are you saying?
Next. Okay, guys, we're gonna start with the game now. No, there is no prize. The prize is me, my love. Okay, guys, it's time to play a game. Can I have everyone here? Can you tell them to stop gossiping?
Please kindly come forward, please.
Thank you, DJ Gotham.
All our friends, we can drink later. Kindly cooperate and please come forward.
You know, जैसे parents अपने बच्चों को करवाते हैं ना, करवाओ, dance करवो. I need you all to do that for me, one by one. You all will show me a hook step. Rahul Bhaiya, come here. Rahul Bhaiya will start it. Stand here. I'm the bride. Do whatever I say. Let's go. Okay, sing the song. 3. Decide which song for each person. 5, 6, 7, go. आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों ये. He knows it. Anidhi, next. No, lame. किसने मजा आएगा ना. What the hell? Guys.
There was no way you were crushing ours.
What did you expect?
Oh my God, I cannot believe it. They copied us because मैंने उनकी मेहंदी crash की थी and they had no idea. But apparently मुझे intel मिली है कि they've been planning to crash my मेहंदी for the longest time. But they did not know कि हम भी वहाँ जा रहे हैं. तो this मीरा नो दोनों पार्टी से खेल रही है. उसको मेरा भी सब पता है, उसको उसका भी सब पता है. But the best surprise, like I was so emotional. I got so teary-eyed watching him come, and I love him so much. So now you will start the game from your side. Come on, I'm the bride.
What's the
You have to
song?
listen to me, okay?
The song is-
Guys, what song for Mohawk? His favorite song is Perfect.
How am I gonna do that?
Sir to perande. No. Okay, you all will sing 3.
Play it. Or play it.
मैं चलती फिरती लाइबिलिटी हूँ. आई एम सॉरी निधि, आपका जो भी नुकसान हुआ.
Baby, you dance so well. When did that happen?
Since the wedding,
Since when has he become like
since
this?
the wedding prep started.
We need to make some dance content on wedding next. After the wedding, dance.
Exactly.
Viral. Viral.
Why? What do you reckon? Seriously? Serious wedding dance content.
Serious. He is so good now. He couldn't even move his hips. I had such a good time. I think it was so wholesome क्योंकि ये पहला function है और सब मेरे पूरे cousins, सारे के सारे cousins, my favorite cousin Gugu, Megha Didi, Ashu Bhai, everybody, they all have flown down from India. This is their first trip to Dubai. They've never been to Dubai. I am obsessed. I love it. दो बार कांच छोड़. दो बार. No, I couldn't believe it. यहाँ से गई, एक तोड़ा, फिर वहाँ गई, 2 मिनट के स्पैन में दूसरा तोड़ दिया. भाविका man, भाविका love. We don't know. No, play Punjabi.
No, it's on.
No, hate Punjabi. Nobody will understand.
No, play it.
Like commercial Punjabi.
ओ सुंदर मुंदरिए तेरा कौन विचारा ओ दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले दी धी विआई ओ जेर शक्कर पाई कुड़ी दा लाल पटाका कुड़ी दा सालू पाटा ओ सालू कौन समेटे
What's the brand?
भाविका अरे गाना बंद करो.
I have literally bled on the floor and I just didn't know that it was my blood.
अरे तो तुझे कब से खून आ रहा है पता नहीं.
Somebody get a tissue at least.
Can we get हम लोग की ये और नीचे पूरा खून लगा हुआ है. उसको कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि क्या चल रहा है क्या. और फिर वो देखती है उसे, अरे मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था कि ये हुआ है.
इसको पता है कंटेंट यहीं से आएगा, यही एक कांड करती है लड़की और कोई कांड नहीं करता. मेरे को वही देख के रोना आ रहा था बस. तो आई एम जस्ट प्रेइंग दैट आई जस्ट डोंट स्पॉइल माय मेकअप.
तो आज ऑफिशियली मेरा लास्ट दिन है इस घर में. आई हैव नो वर्ड्स. इट्स गोना बी सुपर इमोशनल. आई डोंट वांट टू क्राई बट या I love this house and I'm gonna keep coming back. Yeah, I'm gonna keep coming back. Today is day 1. The madness begins. It's our haldi. It's absolutely crazy. It's also Halloween, by the way, 31st October. तो हमने Halloween में शुरू किया है हमारी शादी. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Getting my makeup done, and then 11 a.m. we're ready.
Those guys are still having breakfast, chilling and having.
Who those guys?
It's family. And
Right now, it's 10:12.
And you're telling us to get.
Wait, so they haven't started their makeup and hair and all? Because they're doing makeup and hair.
Are you mad? They're eating food now. I just came from the restaurant. Let me sleep for a while before I get ready.
मैं 7 बजे की उठी हुई हूँ और मैं मेकअप कर रही हूँ अभी. And I'll be the first one ready. Actually, you know what? That's what's called being an efficient bride. I'm going to do my photo shoot because that is so important for me. I don't care about anybody.
12:30 का function है ना निधि?
We're entering at 1. चाहे खाली हो venue. I don't care.
So I don't understand. Shoot तुम 11 बजे क्यों करा रही हो फिर? 12 बजे कराओ. अगर 1 बजे की एंट्री है, 2 घंटे लगेंगे तुम्हारे शूट, कंटेंट शूट.
किसकी शादी है ये? It's the first day of meeting me. मैं लुट चुकी हूँ. मेरा बैंक अकाउंट खाली हो गया है. You know how much left? Guess. after yesterday, after my makeup artist. Yes,
That's all.
1000 done. और अगर मैंने कहीं भी टैप किया मेरा अकाउंट खाली zero for the first time in 8 years. Can you imagine? I'm broke.
अपनी शादी पे लुटा रही हो, it's okay. है ना मासी, बोलो पैसे और आ जाएंगे, बोल दो जोर से, पैसे और आ जाएंगे। ऐसे बोलते मासी को समझ भी नहीं आया, मासी हंस रही देखो।
I think there's been such a big anticipation. Now we've been building up for a year, so it's just like bring on the fun now. I'm really excited. I can't wait. And Nidhi chose this outfit, by the way. Customized the color. This, I don't know if this is right, because this is supposed to come my arm, right? No? Oh. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Baba. Okay, don't wear your outfit.
What do you mean?
11 a.m. baby, so don't wear your outfit yet. 10:30.
Yeah, mine's done. I'm ready.
Lady, अभी still waiting. Same dude.
Rooms नहीं मिल रहे हैं हमें. I came fully ready. My luggage is out on the floor somewhere. Yeah, I don't have a room.
Last minute preparations of fitting into the wedding lehenga.
No, it's just to show my abs more.
But your outfit covers your abs, so.
Oh, no, it doesn't. It's fully see-through.
You know what? That's the longest photo shoot I ever did. It's a really tough one.
मोहक तो बहुत इरिटेटेड हो जाता है. Like he hates the heat. और उसको मतलब 2 मिनट खड़ा करवा, and then his entire mood just drops, and I think exactly what happened, because वो 1 घंटे से शूट कर रहा था. But I was ready, but nobody let me go down. So it's not my fault, but yeah, he hates the heat. So.
Team Nidhi! Team Mohak! For the superstar Jodi, the couple of the hour, Nidhi and Mohak! Everybody please gather in front of the Haldi backdrop. Guys, please calm down. Guys, we don't want to mess this up, please. Ricky, Raj, relax, guys. We all get to celebrate. We all get to celebrate, please. Take it easy. Bro, Raj, take it easy, man. It's okay.